What up, man? It's your boy Young Rich 419. I'm at it with another video. See, we got problems today, man. Stupid problems, car problems, man. But anyway, we about to get it done, man. So y'all make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, and most importantly, y'all check my older videos out, man, because they got a lot of information on there, a lot of lit content. So go ahead back and just rewind it back. Check my old videos out, man. But anyway, we outside, caught a nail in the fucking Malibu, man. Crazy, man. Nail, man. Bam. Nail in Malibu. Took it to the shop. Talking about it's on the side. Really, it's on the edge. You know what I mean? You see how the line is right here. Really is on the edge. Talking about they didn't want to change it. I replace the tire. Nope. No can do. We're gonna make sure we're gonna head fix this ourselves then, man. So right now I got the probe in there cleaning it out. Feel me? Getting that right. Gonna go ahead and pop that out, you dig? With this tire repair kit, you feel me? Get it popping, you feel me? But yeah, anyway, got the Malibu right here, thugged up. I said the Malibu, I'm tripping. The Impala, thugging. On them 24s, looking clean, looking mighty clean. This shit's so player. A little luxury mobile. You feel me? Peanut butter guts. Splash of peanut butter on them skinny daddies. On them skinny daddies. Man, it is what it is. Durango gone right now, but you know we got the Rivy, the Magnum out here and you feel me? Got it charging up, you feel me? Just put it on charge for real. Keep the Malibu and the Rivy on charge. I'm getting these names mixed up, man. God damn. But yeah, man. About to go ahead and turn the pump on. Had this motherfucker ready to go. And then, sure, cut y'all back in, man, when I fix this problem. Yeah, fix the problem that easy, that quick. Show y'all the results, man. Bingo. You can cut it. I just pushed it down, man. Just let the road go ahead and wear it out, man. That should be solved, man. But yeah, just another car problem, man, that you gotta deal with. But yeah, these are definitely a must. Couldn't find my other one, man. Probably threw it away for real, but make sure I don't throw this tire plug kit away. Make sure I definitely don't do that next time. Super easy, super simple. And really anybody could do it, man. You know what I mean? Take the object out your tire, clean it with this, go in and out. Slide one of these in between these little fingers. So it should be like halfway in there. Push it all in. Don't push it all the way in. Make sure you leave some out. Then just rip it out, man. And you'll get this. Actually, it normally be sticking up like that. Then you'll get this, man. But yeah, man, trying to tell me to buy a new tire. Nah, man, I ain't doing all that. I still got some tread left for the rest of the winter. You know what I'm saying? You know, this is my everyday boy. So I still got some tread left for the winter. And I'll buy new tires next year all the way around this motherfucker. So probably gonna need it anyway. Yeah, so definitely gonna need it. I know I need to Though I'm definitely probably gonna need a tire. I might buy a new tire for this side though. Tell you, this tire a little old, man, a little cracking and stuff, man. You feel me? So buy one tire for that though. Probably another month or two. But yeah, man, check my videos out, man. Y'all go like, y'all subscribe, hit that notification bell too. Yeah, man, we got the Magnum video recorder for this on the highway and all that. Video recorder for that. Video recorder for the Impala on the highway rolling. That's coming. Yeah, like, share, subscribe. See y'all next vid. Peace.